Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Slack for work pro tips step by step clearly. Open Slack and familiarize yourself with the interface. Notice the sidebar where you can find your workspaces and channels. Join relevant channels by clicking on the Channels section and selecting those that match your projects or interests. Create a new channel for specific topics or teams by clicking on the Create Channel button. Integrate useful apps by visiting that apps section to enhance your productivity. Use direct messages for one-on-one communication by clicking on a teammate's name in the sidebar. Organize conversations by using threads to maintain clarity and keep discussions focused. Utilize the search bar to quickly find messages, channels, or files. Pin important messages within channels to ensure key information is easily accessible. Set up notifications based on your preferences to stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. Employ Slack's reminders feature by typing /remind followed by your message and timing. Share files easily by dragging and dropping them into the message field. Use emojis to add a touch of personality to your messages and reactions. Experiment with keyboard shortcuts to navigate Slack more efficiently. Regularly update your profile to keep your colleagues informed about your availability. Participate in team-building activities or casual channels to foster stronger connections with your coworkers. Leverage the Huddle feature for quick audio calls without scheduling a full meeting. Consider using the Do Not Disturb mode during focused work hours to minimize interruptions. Explore Slack's settings to customize your experience, including themes and notification preferences. Stay consistent with message etiquette to maintain a professional and respectful environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.